Hello, folks, and welcome to North Texas Hunting and Outdoor Adventure.
Oh, where has my little white-tailed deer gone? Oh, where can they be? I have no idea. I haven't seen one in a long time. Well, today is the last day to hunt in the general season. I haven't uploaded any videos because it's been really a bad year for hunters. A good year for the white-tailed deer. But I'm gonna blame it on the warm weather. It's January and I still see green grass out there. And this year we had an abundance of acorns. So the acorns kicked our butt this year. It's just been really, real disappointing. I don't know what to say. And that's why I haven't uploaded any videos. I mean, I have uploaded a few videos, but it wasn't me hunting. I didn't want to upload videos of me telling you that I didn't see anything. So I believe that would have been very boring. But I did get a hog yesterday. Actually, this one right here. So at least I got something this weekend. We got 2 more weeks, extended week. I may come up here, I may not, I'm not sure. I've been real disappointed with the general season. I mean, I don't mind spending hours and hours in my deer blind, but if I see some wildlife, you know, that's exciting, you know. But when you come up here and you sit for 6, 7 hours, you don't see nothing. You know, like yesterday evening when I got to the campsite, I said, should I get up early and show up to my deer blind to see nothing? But I did. I said, you know what, I will get up and maybe I'll just get lucky and I'll see that monster buck. It's 7:45 right now. I haven't seen a single thing. I have seen about 25, close to 30 doves on this feeder over here, the 25-yard feeder. I've also seen some doves over there at that 200-yard feeder, but I haven't seen anything. Matter of fact, I haven't seen any turkeys in a while. I think the last time I saw a turkey was probably in July or August of 2019. So I don't even know where the turkeys are at, to be honest with you. It's been a bad year. But the bright side to this, I know during the Archie season, I did see some potential bucks that would be nice in a few years. So I think the bright side is that all the bucks that in the does that chose not to show up to these feeders, I don't know if maybe they were eating a lot of acorns and a lot of green stuff to eat. So the bright side is those bucks that nobody's seen will eventually get bigger, and hopefully next year we'll have a good harvest the next hunting season. I have heard this complaint from different hunters that this year has been a bad year. So I'm not alone. Anyway, I am gonna hunt until probably 8:30, maybe 9 o'clock. I don't know why, but just maybe something will show up. I guess off season, what I'm gonna do some reviews on some rifles that I have, some equipment that I have. I'll still come up here and hunt and do some hog hunts. And I haven't seen any, well, I shot that one yesterday, but the one before that was probably about a month ago. Matter of fact, I have a hog trap not too far from here, and I've put some corn. I've baited that thing over a month ago. Nothing has been in there. No squirrels, no raccoons, nothing, you know. So that's very unusual, but it's just been bad. And I'm going to say that the acorns, they're going, lots of them. We got a lot of oak trees out here, so this year, I guess they chose to go to the acorn, to oak trees, and hey, I guess the acorns have more protein and more of what they need than the corn. So anyway, that's the update, and that's the reason why I haven't uploaded any videos, hunting videos. And but anyway, it is what it is. Can't complain, but I do enjoy being out in the woods. But I at least like to see something, but I haven't seen anything. That's just so disappointing, but it is what it is. You know, not gonna complain. I'm just going to enjoy life, and I will see you here shortly. And I'll come back before I end this video. Just maybe I might see something. I really doubt it. The wind picked up, as you can see. A tree behind me, and branches moving pretty good. Never have good luck when the wind is this strong. The deer gets they get scared, skittish, and so a lot of times they just go and bed down. Anyway, I'll see you later. Do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys here shortly. All right, guys. Well, folks, nothing. It's 8:30. I was going to hunt until 9. There's no need. I don't think it's going to make a difference. 30 minutes not going to make a difference. So, I'm going to call it quits. It's going to go down in history that this season was a bad hunting season, and we'll be talking about how bad it was for many years. It's not only this area, it's just been a bad year for a lot of hunters. Very good year for the white-tailed deer. It just makes them a little bit bigger. Hoping the next year it would be a very successful hunt, and just letting these bucks get a little bit bigger. So, I don't know, it depends how, and I doubt it if the does will be moving, but I do have another area that I can hunt. This particular area, I think the owner planted some, so I believe there's been some does coming in, so I'm gonna probably harvest. There's a probably 90% chance that I'll harvest a mature doe next week in a different location. So I will talk to you guys later. I encourage you to check out these other videos. They're here or up there somewhere. It's my personal icon. Click on that, and if you're new, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. All right, guys. Hope all of you will have a prosperous 2020, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right?